Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with OAuth 2.0 for an EV charging app step by step clearly. To authenticate with OAuth 2.0 for your EV charging app, start by registering your application with the OAuth provider. Visit the provider's developer portal and create a new application. Fill in the required details, such as the application name, description, and website URL. Set the redirect URI to the endpoint in your app where users will be sent after authentication. Save your application details to obtain the client ID and client secret. Next, choose the appropriate OAuth 2.0 flow for your use case. For most scenarios, the authorization code grant is recommended. Generate the authorization URL by including your client ID and redirect URI. Direct users to this URL to initiate the authentication process. Once users enter their credentials, they will be redirected back to your app. This redirection will include an authorization code as a query parameter. Capture this authorization code in your app. Now, exchange the authorization code for an access token. Send a request to the token endpoint with your client ID, client secret, the authorization code, and your redirect URI. If the request is successful, you will receive an access token and possibly a refresh token. Store the access token securely for future API requests. Use the access token to authorize requests to the EV charging API. Include the access token in the authorization header of your HTTP requests. If the access token expires, use the refresh token to obtain a new access token. Follow the same request structure to the token endpoint, but include your refresh token. Store the updated access token and continue to authorize API requests. By following these steps, you can successfully implement OAuth 2.0 authentication for your EV charging app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.